Hey, welcome to Bits and Spaces, and today I will show you how to write and execute your first code all in under 2 minutes. Let's get started. So first off, open up your default or favorite text editor. Mine is Notepad++, and type the following. And go ahead and save. You can title it whatever you want. I'm gonna name mine firstcode.html here, and make sure that the extension is a HTML. So if you're on Windows, make sure you select all types. If you're on anything else, Mac or Linux, whatever, make sure you change that file extension to .html. Go ahead and click save right there. Yes. And once you've saved it, go ahead and double click and it should open up to your default browser. For me, it's right there. And it opened it up. There you go. This page says hello world. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. If you enjoyed the video and found it helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for many more content, and I hope to see you again next time.